Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Titi Ratu Saputra, student ID 19240I34 from the Information System Study Program class 19 1B21. In this video, I would like to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. Campus area are meant to be place where students gain knowledge. Every campus has regulation to maintain comfort and order, one of which is the prohibition of smoking on campus premises. As students, we must adhere to the rules. In my opinion, smoking on campus cannot be justified because it not only harms health but also disturbs other students who are engaging in campus activities. Here are the reasons behind my view. Number 1. Health impact. Smoking is known to contain harmful substances such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide, which can damage health. Cigarette smoke is dangerous not only to active smokers, but also to passive smokers exposed to it. In a campus environment, cigarette smoke poses a threat to the health of everyone. Prohibiting smoking on campus is not just a matter of rules. It is a commitment to maintain collective health. Number 2. Ethics and regulation. Smoking on campus violates the rules set by the institution. Furthermore, it reflects a lack of ethics and awareness among students to respect the campus as a place of learning. Campuses are designed to support academic activities, not as venues for habits that harm many people. Number 3. Personal freedom. Although smoking is personal choice, its freedom must be limited when it infringes on the rights of others. Cigarette smoke, which contains harmful substances, can disturb others around the smoker. In the context of campus, this certainly becomes a disturbance for other students. The right to breathe clean and healthy air must be respected by everyone. I strongly support the implementation for smoke-free campus. As educational institution, campus should set an example in promoting a healthy lifestyle. By keeping campus free from cigarette smoke, we not only create a comfortable and healthy learning environment, but also demonstrate a commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. That concludes my opinion regarding smoking on campus. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Titi Ratu Saputra. Student ID 19240I34 from the Information System Study Program class 19 1B21. I will present the topic of adverb of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency is an adverb that indicates how often an action or event occurs. When function, it is used in tense to describe habits or routines. Here is a list of common adverb of frequency. The first one is always. Always has a frequency level of 100%, usually 90%, normally or generally 80%, often 70%, sometimes 50%, occasionally 30%, seldom 10%, rarely 5%, and the last one is never 0%. Next, always has a frequency level of 100%. Always indicating that actions are always carried out without exception. Example, she always wakes up early to exercise before work. Next, he always remembers to lock the door before leaving the house. 3. I always drink coffee in the morning. Number 2, usually. Usually has a frequency level of 90%. Usually, the action is often performed, but there are minor exceptions. For example, I usually go for a walk in the evening. He usually finishes his homework before dinner. We usually meet at the park on weekend. Number 3, normally. Normally has a frequency level of 80%. Normally or generally, the action usually happens quite often, but there are some exceptions. For example, to normally, he generally finishes his tasks before the deadline. Next, I generally finish my work by 5 p.m. People generally prefer fresh food over processed food. Number 4, often. Often has a frequency level of 70%. Often or frequently, the action occurs regularly, but not all the time. For example, I often visit my grandparents on weekends. Number 2, I often go jogging in the morning. Number 3, I often watch movies on weekends. Number 5, sometimes. Sometimes has a frequency level of 50%. The action is done at certain times, not always, but quite often. For example, I sometimes go to the beach on weekends. Number 2, so she sometimes forgets to reply to emails. Next, sometimes play soccer after school. Number 6, occasionally. Occasionally has a frequency level of 30%. The action occurs only at specific times, less frequently than sometimes. For example, I occasionally visit my grandparents on weekends. Next, she occasionally goes skiing with her friends. 3, They occasionally eat out at a French restaurant. Next, seldom. Seldom has a frequency level of 10%. Seldom, the action rarely occurs, but it can still happen occasionally. For example, I seldom watch TV this day. 2. She seldom goes to the gym because of the busy schedule. 3. We seldom see him at family gathering anymore. Number 8. Rarely has a frequency of 5%. Rarely, the action almost never happens. For example, I rarely go to the beach even though it's derby. Next, she rarely drinks coffee in the evening. Number 3, they rarely meet since the movie to different cities. The last one is never there. Never has a frequency level of 0%. That action does not happen at all. The never example, I never skip breakfast in the morning. Next, she never likes to hear friends. Number 3, they never travel during the winter season. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I apologize if there were any shortcoming in my pronunciation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.